Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to do the baby filter on the Remini. So how you can do it, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Play Store and download the application with the name of the Remini. Once you will download and install it to your device, simply you have to open it. Once you will do it, you have to click on the AI photos in the middle one, then click on the let's do it, then select male or female according to your choice and click on continue. Now you have to upload your 8 selfies. So right now I am using the demo pictures. You have to upload your own images right here to get the results. Once you will do it, after that you have to click on the continue, and here you will see baby picture. You have to click on the use this model image, and once you will do it, you have to pay for it. Once you will pay for it, you can download your baby filter images and you have to edit that video through CapCut or TikTok. So this is the simple way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.